Discover the Electron E1 processor, a revolution in energy-efficient computing. Get ready for a game changer in the world of energy-efficient computing. Efficient Computer, a pioneer in this field, has just unveiled its Electron E1 processor, promising to revolutionize how we approach general-purpose computing tasks. This is a significant milestone for Efficient, as it's their first standalone hardware release, and it's now available for developers to get their hands on. With the E1, developers can create intelligent applications that were previously held back by power or computational constraints. The industry-leading energy efficiency and general-purpose programmability of the E1 open up a whole new world of possibilities for edge, embedded, and AI product applications. But here's where it gets exciting. Efficient has also released its effcc compiler, which is now available for download. Previously, developers had to rely on the compiler playground, but now they can integrate it into their existing toolchains and compile code for the E1 hardware. This means developers can finally bring the chip and software together outside of Efficient's internal sandbox to create truly innovative solutions. The Electron E1 processor and effcc compiler are designed to deliver exceptional energy efficiency for general-purpose computing, says Brandon Lucia, CEO of Efficient. Our spatial dataflow design eliminates the trade-off between efficiency and generality. With this release, we are empowering developers to create the next generation of energy-efficient computing applications and devices. The traditional von Neumann processors we're used to consume a lot of energy by constantly shuttling data between memory and compute cores. In contrast, the Electron E1 processor is built on Efficient's Fabric architecture, a spatial dataflow architecture that executes general-purpose code without the need for step-by-step computation. This innovative approach results in up to 100 times better energy efficiency compared to traditional low-power CPUs. Imagine intelligent applications at the edge with years-long lifespans, even in environments with limited power and maintenance. Efficient is now partnering with engineering teams eager to work with its latest offerings. They're providing the Electron E1 processor, a standalone programmable chip that delivers up to 100 times better energy efficiency than traditional low-power CPUs, along with the effcc compiler, now downloadable for the first time. Developers can use familiar tools to build and deploy to the Fabric architecture. Additionally, Efficient's team offers hands-on engineering support, including collaborative optimization, code tuning, and architecture guidance. The Electron E1 architecture, with its combination of ultra-low-power operation and general-purpose programmability, is perfectly suited for industries like industrial infrastructure, space systems, defense, and wearables. These sectors often face critical challenges related to battery life, latency, and deployment scale, and the E1 is poised to make a significant impact. If you're a developer ready to explore the potential of the Electron E1 and effcc compiler, you can learn more at insert link here, or reach out to insert email address here. Efficient Computer has truly created a transformative architecture and software stack. Through the co-design of software and hardware, they've developed a processor that's orders of magnitude more energy efficient than leading general-purpose processors. This technology is ideal for a wide range of edge computing devices and applications across industries, from wearable health devices to space systems and security and defense. The Efficient team is a diverse group of experts, including professors and PhDs from Carnegie Mellon University and startup veterans, bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. For more information about Efficient Computer and their groundbreaking work, visit their website at insert website link. And this is the part most people miss. Efficient's approach to energy-efficient computing is not just about saving power. It's about unlocking new possibilities and creating a more sustainable future. By reducing energy consumption, we can extend the lifespan of devices, reduce environmental impact, and open up new avenues for innovation. So, are you ready to join the energy-efficient computing revolution? The future is here, and it's powered by Efficient Computer. Revolutionary Fabric architecture. Efficient Computer's Electron E1 processor. Imagine a world where your devices run for days, even weeks, on a single battery charge, without sacrificing performance. That's the promise of Efficient Computer's groundbreaking new processor, the Electron E1. This innovative chip, released today, is not just another addition to the tech world. It's a radical departure from the industry's long-held reliance on von Neumann architectures. As the company boldly claims, it's the world's most energy-efficient general-purpose processor. But here's where it gets controversial. How did they achieve such extraordinary energy efficiency? The secret lies in the Electron E1's proprietary spatial dataflow architecture, called the fabric. Unlike traditional processors, the fabric eliminates the overhead associated with instruction fetch, decode, and register file movement, enabling up to 1 trillion 8-bit integer operations per second per watt, 1 TOPS watt. This means the chip can perform an astonishing number of calculations while consuming minimal energy. Think about it. 95 to 99% of a computer's energy consumption goes to instruction supply, decode, pipeline reconfiguration, and operand supply, leaving only 1 to 5% for the actual computation. The Electron E1 flips this ratio on its head, and this is the part most people miss. The Electron E1 isn't just about raw efficiency, it's also incredibly versatile. It supports full-stack programmability, where conventional code is compiled into dataflow graphs that are placed across the fabric. This ensures the system remains deterministic and statically scheduled, with compiled programs persisting in place for up to 100 million cycles. But what about compatibility? Fear not, developers. Efficient has also launched the first public release of its compiler toolchain, effcc, which abstracts the unique hardware under a standard development interface. This means you can use familiar tools like Make, CMake, and Visual Studio Code with minimal changes. So what's the Electron E1 best suited for? Embedded AI and edge computing, where energy efficiency and performance are paramount. With its ability to handle upstream signal processing, sensor fusion, and downstream analytics or control logic on the same chip, the Electron E1 is poised to revolutionize how we think about computing. What do you think? Is this the future of computing, or just another flash in the pan? Share your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned for the Photon P1, a higher-end successor to the E1, which promises to extend the architecture's applicability even further.